Okay, I'm going to go step by step on how to use the Magic School AI website to create YouTube video questions. So the link for that in Magic School is right here, and I've already set up the command that you would put in to AI to create this, so that makes it easy. You go to YouTube and use the video that you want to have questions for. So this one is on Russia, which I'm about to teach. When you first look at it, you're going to see this little box here where it tells you how many views and when it was made. And you click more, you can get to the transcript. You're going to need the transcript to make questions in Magic School AI. So click Show Transcript. You're going to copy all of this. So highlight and copy. And then you go on over to Magic School AI. Set your parameters here. And then paste it in. And I have already actually made this one. So here are the questions right here. Sometimes I find, however, that they're a little too basic. So I usually go ahead and copy them and paste them into a Google Doc so I can keep them. I usually kind of like change the title here, so I don't need it to be that long. And then I look over the questions. So if there are any that I want to change a little bit, and you notice sometimes the formatting you have to change too. Like this one, maybe, I mean, this is important, but maybe we could take this one. I'm just going to take a couple of them to show you. These questions aren't too bad this time. Also, I find that playing with the grade level, sometimes you can make them a little bit more difficult. This is a 9th grade class, so if you want to put it, 10th or 11th grade, sometimes the questions are a little bit more difficult and more higher order. Okay, so I'm just actually going to copy all of these questions this time. You can also change it to, if you need them to be a little simpler, change the grade level down some. Sometimes I do that for 8th grade and maybe like make it 6th or 7th grade so the information is, the question's a little bit more simplified and basic. So paste it into ChatGPT with the command, revise these questions to include more critical thinking on a 9th grade World History 1 course level. And then usually what I do is kind of take these. I actually like these a lot better, so I will probably just use these this time. But for this purpose, I would take them and paste it into this and then kind of look over and then make a document with the questions that I like, mixing and matching both the Magic School AI and the ChatGPT. Also, Google Gemini does a really good job, in my opinion, of creating critical thinking questions, so I do like to use that too. So that is one example of how I use Magic School AI. I use it to create YouTube video questions.